Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we're finally customizing this wig that I dyed. So we're gonna be parting the hair. Here I'm doing a just like curved part and then using some wax and then using my hot comb to basically just, you know, melt the wax. And I did it on the front of the hair too for the hairline so that all the hair is pushed back. And then we're actually going to be curling the hair. So the first step you're going to want to do is sectioning the hair and detangling it. I use this tangle teaser because it will yank all them tangles out and I love that. And then this is my curling wand, not even a curling wand, curling iron from Conair. And it's on like, it's like on a pretty high setting. So just I put it on a high setting, like there's really no degrees or anything. And then I curled the hair, and you want to keep the curling iron on for like 10 to 15 seconds. And after, you need to like really, when you release the curl, you need to hold it, or else if you just like let it go, your hair is just going to be straight and hot. Okay, and then I just roll the curl back and then I pin it down with a bobby pin or just like one of those alligator clips, and you're gonna want to pin it down so the curl can like cool down and set, because then when you take out like the bobby pin or whatever, it's going to actually be curly, and that's how you curl the hair. Like on synthetic hair, I remember for so long, like I remember I would curl like a piece of hair for like 10-20 times, and my friend, she was like, girl, you've been curling that hair for like literally like 20 minutes. I'm like, I was just like in shock. I was like, don't remind me. But I realized I was curling my hair wrong. Like, you literally need to hold the curl for until it cools down, and then you can let it go, or else it's just gonna be straight hair, just straight hot hair, and you don't want that. And so I'm just gonna be doing this throughout the entire wig and using bobby pins and using other alligator clips. And as you can see, after I took out all the clips, it's curled because all the curls have cooled down. And so I'm using this spray. It's like this detangling spray, and I'm using this wide tooth comb to brush out the curls too, because I don't really like my curls super defined. I like them a little wavy, a little, you know, a little loose. And I like to cut my lace before I install the wig. It's just easier for me because I be cutting like my forehead, and I just don't want to be looking like Freddy Krueger. Like I just don't want to do that. So I cut it before, and then I tint the lace with this Eben lace tint. I'm not sure the color. And then I use this Ruby Kisses cream foundation too, because I tint, this lace accidentally dyed pink, so I needed to really tint it. And then here I am again using my hot comb to brush like all the edges back and the hairline, so it's really easy to apply once I actually install this wig, which will probably be like another video, like the next video, to be honest. And I brush back like all the hair because I just don't like baby hairs. Like I just don't like the way it looks on me, and I just don't like even doing them. It's just too much. I like a slick back look. And that is it. It's done and it's ready to be installed, which will probably be my next video. But thank y'all for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.